think Vietnam for this year is a very dynamic market in terms of trading in general and also manufacturing, and that will lead to a very dynamic environment for import and export. What's important for the user and the market in Vietnam is that we need to be open to new solutions. With this, the change and the speed of development like this, the infrastructure and legal environment may not move as fast as we need, but we need to keep an open mind and look into like more innovative solution, and that meets the need of our company, our business, and stay thriving. So when we talk about high-tech equipment, is a little bit about like high mix, low volume. It's a little bit about a complicated bill of material you can think of. But the most important thing about high-tech component is the speed. It's not just the speed to you fulfill your customer order, but also about life cycle in general. So when talking about logistics for high-tech, you need to build that into your own system, in your supply chain. You need to define where are the critical field that you can keep the inventory to increase the speed that you can fulfill your customer. And also for the rest, which are not so critical, you need to find assure that there's an expediting solution available when you need it. This answer is more like for the employers of logistic people. I have a very famous favorite quote from one of my friends who's also a teacher of me in logistics. He said that logistic people are the ones that will help you solve problems you don't know you have in ways that you don't understand. That means it's not just logistics is not just about moving one piece from one place to another. It's to facilitate the flow. And regarding with that, there's a lot of requirements and a lot of update, and the market is moving also, not just the good. So when you look for a talent, when we look for a talent in logistics, always we look at the solution they're bringing to you. But also you need to look behind that. What is raising the problem that bring them to the solution? So is he a guy that have a full view of regulation? Is he a guy that keep the update trend of new movement in the market? Is he care about long-term development, sustainability of the business, not just like cost in, day out? Then that could be the guy who can stay with your supply chain for a long time.